my god, that was the loudest thunder. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dang it, I turned it off just when it happened. It's like triple the noise of the other ones. Whoa! I just saw... Alright, there was a... You see that guy's car right there? There was a reflection of a huge bolt right over top of our house. Alright, I need to get into a safe place here. This is not cool. Oh my god. Whew. Guys, just stay away from windows, okay? There's some cloud-to-ground lightning right by us, okay? No, it's not. There's no tornado. It's just that there's lightning around us.
So do we stop, rock, and roll?
No, just don't grab onto anything metal.
What?
Don't grab onto anything metal.
Okay, what else do you do?
Just stay away from the windows.
The local Doppler radar.
It's a pretty badass storm. Yeah, the thunder that happened after I saw that reflection is probably about double as loud as that. It literally shook the house. Like, the things in our house were shaking. Uh-oh. It's raining again. Uh-oh. That's where that is, and it's a sun coming from over there. So I guess it's back here, maybe? Can't even tell. Maybe it's on top of us.
The local Doppler radar.
Alright, it's moving north, isn't it? Hold up, and was... Yeah, it's moving north. Northwest. Okay. Northwest, that's really weird. Alright, it started raining again. Hopefully there's just like the outer band. Weather. Special weather statement. Oh yeah, so we go to Catonsville.
The local Doppler radar.
There we go. Severe thunderstorm is in progress. Yep. This is the high rad station for Catonsville. I like using Baltimore BWI Airport and Baltimore Inner Harbor. It's another light flicker. I should probably charge my phone, just in case. Look at that bad boy. It's got full screen of this. Move to an interior on the lowest floor of your home or business. Well, this is pretty much an interior room, I guess. There isn't actually any interior rooms in this house. Alright, so what time is it? 5:25? It's 5:36. So we're probably about there, maybe? I don't know, probably like around there. Oak Forest. Yeah, okay. Oh my gosh. Alright, it is 6:50 maybe? No, that's not even right. Maybe it is 6:50. I don't know. But I guess this is round 2, even though I have no idea where it came from. It's raining about as hard as it was last time. See your thunderstorm. It's about to expire. Let's go. Oh, I see. See what happened? This thing's grown again. Look, it added on. It's gonna go, and now we got another one. I was playing NCAA 13, and I just heard thunder, and then I looked out, and here we go again. Hold up. Okay, that's just the same one. You think I'm gonna look up and I'm gonna see a tornado warning? God, that's just decimating our backyard. Let's turn that down. There's a thing of lightning. Is it? Oh, it's coming from over there. Oh, is this on pump? Hey, there comes the sun. Comes a lot of sun. It's clearing up, I guess. It's sunny.
Weird.
Yeah, no, it's kind of flooding a little bit on the right, but it's nothing big.
Look, the sun's out.
Yeah, no.
Rainbow.
Yeah, I know. I don't know. It's raining so hard, I doubt you could even see one.
Blood. That's what I said. That's blood. Is the lightning gone?
What?
Is the lightning gone?
I guess. Yes. Open it up. Oh.
I was trying to open it for you.
Yes. Finally, I get a good look at this rain. Yeah, see, this is the best place for watching storms. Look, there's the sun. Here comes the sun. Doo -doo -doo -doo. Here comes the sun. How is there not a rainbow? How is there not a rainbow? Like, the sun is... That's where it is. To the northwest. So, over there. Like over there. Look at that rain on the neighbor's yard. Finally, we got some rain. It's about time. That's what BWI is. Wow. BWI, the planes come through up from there, they fly over here, go past the sun where it is pretty much right now, and then you just go out into that little area. And that's the runway 10, I'm pretty sure. And approach to runway 10.
Okay, now I'm scared. Stop!
Oh, let her back in.